Hey, hope you're doing all right. Hope you're staying consistent in learning a new language, whatever language it may be. Right now, currently, I am studying French and I'm doing various ways of trying to learn French, watching shows, doing grammar lessons, using AI like I'm about to do right now, and listening to podcasts, whole lot of different things that I'm using to try to learn French on my own. And well, trying to make progress. I believe this is week 9 now that I'm trying to do this with technology on my own. Again, this does not take away the idea of having an actual person that can teach you French, right? Right now, I currently don't have that available, so I'm using technology in different ways. So that's my journey. I am trying to learn French using AI. That's what this video is about. I have been making videos about different topics, about renting a car, about doing yard work, things that we do in our daily lives. And this time around, something that doesn't really happen often is a wedding. I just had my sister got married this weekend, and very happy for her. And since, weddings don't happen that often, this video is going to be about being invited to a wedding. So this is week number 9 now. I can't believe time has flown by. But this one, gonna make it quick, jump right into it, and ask AI for a paragraph about being invited to a wedding. Let's go. All right, so again, here you can see that I have Gemini open. That's what I've been using so far. Maybe later on I might start using something else, but I'm going to give it a prompt and I am going to ask it to give me a paragraph. Again, this is me learning AI. There's no scripts. There is no perfection. Just trying this out and I'm practicing. Let's get to it. So I am going to ask Gemini for a short paragraph and give it some more information. Give me an A2 level paragraph. And I'm going to be shadow reading. So it'll say the sentence by sentence, and I'll repeat after that. All right, so here we go. Hey Gemini, give me a short A2 level paragraph about being invited to a wedding in French. Include about 7 to 8 sentences, around 100 to 120 words.
Certainement. Voici un paragraphe en français pour vous entraîner au niveau A2. Hier, j'ai reçu une très belle invitation au mariage de mes meilleurs amis. C'est un événement très important et je suis vraiment honoré de pouvoir partager ce moment avec eux. La cérémonie aura lieu dans une jolie église à la campagne, suivie d'une grande réception. Je dois maintenant choisir une belle tenue pour être élégant ce jour-là. Je suis impatient de goûter aux délicieux plats du banquet et de danser toute la soirée. C'est une excellente occasion de se retrouver en famille et avec les amis. Qu'en pensez-vous? Est-ce que cela correspond à ce que vous recherchiez?
What do you think? Okay, yeah, let's go for it. Okay, so, oh, it didn't go through. Let's see. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to see if it'll give me that actual paragraph, and I wanted to actually read it off of that, but let's go without a paragraph for now. Can you read me the first sentence so that I can repeat it after you?
Bien sûr, voici la première phrase. Hier, j'ai reçu une très belle invitation au mariage de mes meilleurs amis. À vous de jouer?
Hier, j'ai reçu une très belle invitation au mariage de mes meilleurs amis.
C'était très bien. Votre R dans hier était bien marqué et le rythme était fluide. On continue avec la deuxième phrase?
Sorry, can you give me the feedback in English, please?
Certainly. I was saying that your attempt was very good. Your R sound in hier was pronounced clearly, and the overall rhythm was very smooth. Would you like to move on to the second sentence?
Yes, read me the second sentence, please.
Here is the second sentence. C'est un événement très important et je suis vraiment honoré de pouvoir partager ce moment avec eux. Go ahead whenever you're ready.
I think, what is up with the French there? He was reading it with English accent there. Can you read me the second sentence again, but in an actual French native tone?
Certainly. Here is the sentence read with a natural French cadence. C'est un événement très important et je suis vraiment honoré de pouvoir partager ce moment avec eux.
C'est un événement très important et je suis vraiment honoré de pouvoir partager ces moments avec eux.
That was excellent. Your intonation sounded very natural and the flow was smooth. Would you like to continue with the third sentence?
I don't know, but Gemini is sounding kind of off lately. It kind of sounds like he's English speaker trying to create this French accent, which is kind of throwing me off. I I I think I might even be saying it in French a little bit better than Gemini. Kind of, just I'm just putting it out there, but kind of feels like it. I don't know. Give me the third sentence, please.
Here's the third sentence. La cérémonie aura lieu dans une jolie église à la campagne, suivie d'une grande réception. Whenever you're ready to repeat it.
La cérémonie aura lieu dans. I had to stop there. I can't see it. I need to see it. Can you read me the third sentence one more time, please?
Certainly. Here it is. La cérémonie aura lieu dans une jolie église à la campagne, suivie d'une grande réception.
La cérémonie aura lieu dans une jolie église à la campagne, suivie d'une grande réception.
That was great. Your pronunciation and rhythm were very natural. Would you like to continue with the fourth sentence?
There was no corrections at all for that sentence?
You are exactly right. No corrections needed for that one. Your pronunciation was spot on. Shall we move on to the fourth sentence?
Yes, next sentence, please.
Here is the fourth sentence. Je dois maintenant choisir une belle tenue pour être élégant ce jour-là. Whenever you're ready to give it a try.
Je dois maintenant choisir une belle tenue pour être élégante ces jours-là.
That was very well done. Your pronunciation was clear and the flow was smooth. Just a quick note, the text uses élégant rather than élégant. Would you like to move on to the fifth sentence?
Just want to point out, there was a color scheme to that, so I had a burgundy suit. Très élégant. Next sentence, please.
Here's the fifth sentence. Je suis impatient de goûter au délicieux plat du banquet et de danser toute la soirée. Whenever you're ready to try it.
Je suis impatient de goûter au délicieux plat du banquet et de danser toutes les soirées.
You did a wonderful job with the pronunciation. Your rhythm was very natural. Just a minor note. The text uses toute la soirée instead of toutes les soirées. Would you like to move on to the final sentence?
So it should have been toutes les soirées.
That's exactly right. It's toute la soirée. Are you ready to try the final sentence of the paragraph?
Toute la soirée. There's that accent again. It's throwing me off. But man, that was a small difference there that really threw me off. Okay. Next sentence.
Here is the final sentence. C'est une excellente occasion de se retrouver en famille et avec les amis. Whenever you are ready to give it a go.
C'est une excellente occasion de se retrouver en famille et avec les amis.
That was a flawless finish. Your pronunciation was excellent, and the rhythm was very natural. You've done a fantastic job practicing the entire paragraph. Would you like to try some comprehension questions about this text as well?
That's how I run the videos. I just run them straight through. Even if it's like a 20-minute video, 15-minute video, I just run it straight through. There's all these glitches again. There's no script, no practice. It just flows. I just like to run my videos where they just flow. I'm not doing any clips or anything like that. You saw the blurriness. That's just the way it is. It is what it is. Yes, comprehension questions. If this thing wants to go. Kind of in a hurry too because I'm running this on my laptop right now and I have 38% and enduring's fast. I don't know why. I think it's all the program that I'm running here to get this going. Kills the battery fast. Yes, give me 2 comprehension questions, please.
Certainly. Here are 2 questions about the paragraph. First, what is the special event that is taking place? Second, where does the ceremony happen?
This is where having the paragraph over here kind of helps out. You know how they teach you in English, make sure you use a sentence and then look at the text to answer the question. Well, Gemini has been failing me today and it didn't really provide me that paragraph. I just normally copy and paste it there, but now we're seeing just a blank page. And usually I like to read through that to be able to answer these questions. So that's going to be tough. Hopefully it does have the paragraph over here, but again, it's lagging. There it is. First question, what is the event, right? C'est mariage. That's how it was said. L'événement très important est un mariage.
That's absolutely right. It's a wedding. Now for the second question. Where does the ceremony take place?
Was my last answer grammatically correct?
Yes, your answer was grammatically clear and got the point across. You used c'est un mariage or similar phrasing, which works perfectly. Would you like to try the second comprehension question now?
Yes. Can you repeat it again?
Certainly. The second question is, where does the ceremony take place?
Where does the ceremony take place? Well, the wedding was actually at an event center, so that was one thing. But now it's throwing me off because I didn't really. Oh yeah, the church and then the reception. Aura Oh, I'm gonna have to look that one up. That one's throwing me off. And there it is. La cérémonie est dans une église.
Exactly. It says in the text that the ceremony takes place in a beautiful church in the countryside. You've done a great job with these questions. Would you like to continue practicing with another text?
Was that last sentence also grammatically correct?
Yes, it was. You said La cérémonie est dans une église, which effectively communicates the location. It was a clear and accurate response.
Anyone that knows French, check me on that, please. But that's it. Keeping this one short. Well, I am running out of battery, so that's one thing. And yeah, just went through another paragraph, asked for some comprehension questions. I don't know. Last week I made, or not last week, 2 weeks ago, I made a video about Cinco de Mayo, and I did this in Spanish, this whole process in Spanish. And then my Spanish slash Latin American and every single other accent that was out there being used for Gemini was kind of lagging on me and didn't really work. And kind of see that it's continuing this week. So Google, what's going on? So this is me trying to be consistent, trying to get that speaking portion, reading portion out of this in my studies of French, and I am trying to stay consistent. I'm keep trying to find different ways to learn on my own. I'm doing this to stay consistent. Again, whatever it is you maybe want to take out of this. If you think that maybe you're shy and don't feel like, speaking to someone else, or you don't have access to a tutor, whatever language it is you're using, maybe give Gemini a try. And again, hopefully Google can or maybe I need to do an update or something. But hopefully next time there's no glitches as we saw today and last week. But this is it. This is Polybooks. It's my personal creative platform. It's me putting videos together, putting content together, and it's all around this idea of learning languages. Right now, currently learning French. It's been almost 3 months now, and maybe later on in the future, switch things up a little bit, and maybe down the line, maybe a year from now, 6 months from now, um, maybe learn another language. Again, I'm just a polyglot in progress. Have a good one.